Did you know that the Mediterranean diet is one of the healthiest diets in the world? It's full of delicious foods that can help you live a longer, healthier life. Today, we're going to share the 15 must-have foods in the Mediterranean diet. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our healthy eating tips and tricks. First on our list, olive oil. Olive oil is a key part of the Mediterranean diet. It's full of healthy fats that are good for your heart. Using olive oil in your cooking can help lower bad cholesterol. Drizzle it on salads, use it for cooking, or dip bread into it. Next up are tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins and antioxidants like lycopene. They help protect your heart and keep your skin healthy. Eating tomatoes can also help reduce the risk of cancer. Add them to salads, sauces, and sandwiches. And then, you gotta have garlic. Garlic is known for its strong flavor and many health benefits. It can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Garlic also has antibacterial properties. Use it to add flavor to your dishes. And of course, fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help protect your heart and brain. Eating fish can also reduce inflammation. Aim to have fish at least twice a week. Nuts. Nuts, especially almonds and walnuts, are a great source of healthy fats and protein. They help keep you full and provide energy. Eating nuts can also improve heart health. Enjoy a handful of nuts as a snack. We can't forget the whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are full of fiber. They help keep your digestive system healthy and provide long-lasting energy. Whole grains can also help control blood sugar levels. Include them in your meals instead of refined grains. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with vitamins and minerals. They help keep your bones strong and your skin healthy. Eating leafy greens can also reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Add them to salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in protein and fiber. They help keep you full and provide important nutrients. Eating legumes can also improve heart health. Add them to soups, salads, or stews. Fruits. Fruits like apples, oranges, and berries are full of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. They help keep your immune system strong and your skin glowing. Eating a variety of fruits can also improve digestion. Enjoy fruits as snacks or in your meals. Yogurt. Yogurt is a great source of probiotics, which are good for your gut health. It also provides protein and calcium. Eating yogurt can help improve digestion and strengthen your bones. Choose plain yogurt and add your own fruits for extra flavor. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and nutritious food. They provide protein, healthy fats, and important vitamins. Eating eggs can help keep you full and provide energy. Enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet. Avocados are full of healthy fats and fiber. They help keep your skin healthy and your heart strong. Eating avocados can also help control blood sugar levels. Add them to salads, toast, or smoothies. Up next, chicken. Chicken is a lean source of protein. It helps build and repair your muscles. Eating chicken can also keep you full and provide energy. Enjoy grilled or baked chicken in your meals. Can't forget the herbs and spices. Herbs and spices like oregano, basil, and rosemary add flavor to your food without extra calories. They also have many health benefits, like reducing inflammation. Using herbs and spices can help improve your overall health. Add them to your dishes for extra flavor and nutrition. Red wine in moderation. Red wine is part of the Mediterranean diet, but it should be enjoyed in moderation. It has antioxidants that can help protect your heart. Drinking a small amount of red wine can also improve blood circulation. Remember, too much alcohol can be harmful, so limit yourself to 1 glass a day. Remember, the Mediterranean diet is all about eating a variety of healthy foods. Try to include these 15 must-have foods in your diet for a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tips on living a healthy life. Thanks for watching.